With the Symbiosis project, we aim to make underwater monitoring, environmental monitoring, and especially fauna monitoring pervasive and automated. So there will be different components in the system. There will be acoustic and optical components, and these components will integrate in a way that does not require humans in the loop. So we will have detections of underwater, for example, fishes of interest for researchers, and this detection will be validated through optical cameras, and the imagery data grabbed by these optical cameras will be actually developed and sensed and processed using automated tools.
Regarding the environment, I think Symbiosis could be a very important asset, because it will allow to keep track of what is the fauna that exists in our oceans without having to actually interfere with them, without being intrusive and without like having to introduce any sensors or having to fish them. We're going to be able to track, which species are available in which volumes, and what are the different properties of these species in our seas.
In my opinion, Symbiosis can be an important step towards helping scientists and fisheries to monitor the quantities of the fish and to monitor the biodiversity.
What we're basically doing is we have this large array, and we have to detect where the fish is, and the fish is around the array itself, and we don't know exactly where it is. So using sonars, we kind of have to estimate the angle of where exactly it is around the array.
Here I'm working in underwater communication systems with only one receptor. So currently I'm doing some fingerprints and some simulations, and having taken into account that the water on the oceans is not always the same. It changes with temperature, I don't know, in different seasons.
I'm currently working on in the Symbiosis project where we are trying to localize fish underwater with just one receiver, and one of the ways that we're doing that is we are comparing this signal that we receive with this database that we have of what it is expected to look like at various points, and I'm working on speeding up the algorithm that compares the received signal with our database.